What is good, Ape Nation? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I wanted to talk about the one and only AMC stock and help you guys better understand why I am still very bullish for the upcoming weeks for AMC, even though we may trade a little bit more sideways for the rest of the week. Now, before I say anything about what you should be looking out for the price action, and before I do any technical analysis, I do have to mention some very important things first. The first thing is I'm not a financial planner, so please do not take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, benefits the entire AMC community as a whole. And the last things, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to have the opportunity to win up to $200,000, as Moomoo is also going to be giving away 200 grand to a lucky winner that signs up and deposits $100. So if you want that chance, guys, please check out this offer. And with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So AMC is looking really good right now, guys. Now, here's the thing about AMC. Even though this thing is looking really good, it's a very manipulated stock. But, guys, max pain is currently at $19. So this means that these institutions are going to try to bring AMC to around 19. And if they do that, guys, to me, it does not matter because we are showing lots of signs of relief and strength right now. And AMC is looking like it's following this bullish pattern right now. It's starting this big upward trend. It's treating every single one of these exponential moving averages as it's trading above them. And we may start treating them as support at these different ranges. That's a good sign. So remember, guys, a couple of weeks ago, we were at $14. Now we're starting to hit 19, and we are looking ready to really pop. Now, what happened was we did end up going to the 20s, but we ended up getting rejected from there, and we dropped down to like 19, at least temporarily. And even though that happened, guys, nothing to be worried about. Now, when it comes to AMC running up, breaking all-time highs, and etc., it's not going to happen overnight. You're going to have to give this thing a little bit of time to like really get there. So let's look at what these technical indicators are showing. The TMI, we haven't seen this thing flip too much. Yeah, we saw a flip here over the long term. And since then, it's kind of like been following this pretty darn well. But I want to look at the chart in a more meticulous way. So there we go. So we're seeing the flips here, right? Between these lines. This is when we saw a trend reversal. Right now, it's pretty much just trading sideways. Yeah, it's pretty much just bouncing between support and resistance between the 20 and the 19, but I wouldn't be surprised if they try to bring it a little bit lower for Thursday and Friday. That's typically what happens. MACD flip with the 9-day moving average, and we are starting to see some bearish momentum right here for the short term. And remember, guys, RSI dropped to 36.64. So this means that Thursday and Friday, I wouldn't be surprised if we trade sideways, maybe drop a little bit, close in the $19 range, because that's where max pain is. But next week, I expect us to rebound and run even higher than before because AMC is making higher highs and higher lows. Just slowly, we're slowly getting there. And maybe once we break out of this channel that's keeping us between 20 and 19, we've been trading there for, I wouldn't say a very long period of time, but quite a bit of time, right? We're going to really run hard. But as of right now, based off what this is doing, is we're in this trend reversal. We're still following it, but every day is not going to be green. It's not. They're going to be green days. They're going to be red days, green days again, red days. It's going to trade back and forth like this for quite a bit of time before we see a massive breakout. So be patient, guys. If I'm going to be real with you, we're probably going to slowly continue on this trend for a couple of weeks before we see a massive breakout towards, I would say, the month of March, maybe towards mid to late March. And the reason why I'm estimating it there is because of the fact that we have interest rates potentially going up. Now, the thing about AMC is there is one thing that could maybe cause this thing to drop a little bit, and that is the Russia situation. The entire market is probably going to take a bit of a hit because of that if Russia does end up invading Ukraine. Right now, we're not in the clear. I believe one of the top executives from NATO ended up stating that there is not a sign of them de-escalating yet. They have over, I believe it's about 140,000 troops still there. So we're still waiting on that situation. Once that is out of the water, guys, once interest rates start rising, at first the market's going to take a small tank and then it's going to recover quickly and start making some very good growth after that. That in turn, guys, is going to help AMC because interest rates going up, shorts got to start covering. This thing will be ready to really run. So from my analysis, expect us to see around the $19 range towards Friday, Thursday and Friday. And after that, I see a lot of more green candles coming up for the future. AMC is looking good, guys. Give it patience. Don't let those people that are saying the squeeze is about to start tomorrow hype you up. It's probably not going to start tomorrow, but it is going to start most likely in the future. So that's how I see it. So by the future, I mean maybe in a couple of months, maybe within a year from now, maybe. But you just have to give this thing time. You got to be patient. That's what I have for this one. I want to thank each and every one of you for listening, and I will most definitely see you on the next one. AMC is looking good, and peace out.